Well, I have to add the music. If you just give me one moment, I will add music. Music. Let's go. Let's go crazy. Boogaloo. Let's go crazy, boogaloo. I'm a little bit fatigued today. I've got to be honest. And YouTube not letting me log in, which doesn't help, but we'll see. Got to log in to get into the studio, but obviously I'm streaming via OBS, which is a different route, but how do I scan in? It's not letting me do it. So I've done that. So I'm here trying my hardest to actually log into YouTube, but for whatever reason, it's just not letting me. So Joel, good morning. Stone Cold, good morning to you as well, buddy. And Dennis, yeah, I'm watching PRZO. I did say it had a good day, a good catalyst and a good day on Friday. I did say in the Discord, if it gets over $2, it could be of interest. So I'm kind of watching this, looking for a good setup. Is the stock market open half day today? Why would it only be open a half day, Stone Cold? Is it because it's Canadian bank holiday, Canadian Thanksgiving? The stock market doesn't care about Canada. Hey, Alberto. Nice one. Good to see that you've got some money on PRZO already. Parazero. Morning, Lisa. Oh, YouTube's acting up. Yes, I'm trying to sign in. Come on. Not difficult. Yes, it's me. Oh, for goodness sake. There we go. What a pain in the hole. I know it's like privacy and all this kind of stuff, but it makes it so bloody convoluted just to get into your own bloody account. Pain in the hole. Yeah, nice green day. We've got a huge drawdown to recover from. We made a little dent into it on Friday. We had 5K green day on Friday. A bearish open, absolutely. Well, I don't know how these Israeli terrorists are going to affect the market. You know, Lewis. The news with Israel. Columbus Day, it doesn't matter. Hey, Greg. Yeah, the stock market's not closed though. That's the thing. Stock market's open today. The next stock market holiday is Thanksgiving, US Thanksgiving. It's all right then. Well, we're getting a bit of a flat top up here around 215 on Para Zero. There's not a lot else moving, guys. It's mostly oil and gas and ETFs today, for whatever reason. So, good luck, guys. I'm hoping that something will show its ugly head today. But just like Friday, be disciplined and wait for a good trade setup. Well, that's a bit presumptuous, isn't it, Radko? Hi everyone. What are you guys expecting today after the horrible happening in the Middle East? I'm all inclusive, Radko. So all members of the rainbow are allowed here, including heterosexuals. So we're not all gay. Well, we're not trading the bond market there, Greg. So I guess we'll be all right. That's what I'm because I've been waiting for a cash settlement, a withdrawal I made, and I've been waiting for it. I'm supposed to get it, and it's not come through yet. So that makes sense. Probably go out tomorrow instead then. Okay, thanks for that. But thanks you, Corellian. So I had a bit busy day today, actually. And we only got back like after 6 p.m. Tried to take a nap and just wasn't having it. So I'm a bit fatigued today. And it's hot. The air conditioning's not cooling me down. And I've just had a coffee, which also warmed me up. And I'll probably need a poop. Coffee has that effect. And tea doesn't, but coffee does. For some strange reason. So high of day 218. Currently at 217 on the ask. So I'm looking for a breakout at 220. Let's see. Range of 6 cents. It's probably not as volatile as I would like to see. But you know, we might get a move with it. This para zero, it has moved up quite a bit today. 87% on the day already. Everything else that I'm seeing is either ETFs or oil and gas. Nothing really moving big this morning, with the exception of para zero. So yeah, guys, if you're seeing anything else moving big, let me know. MTech to a little degree, but it's 25 to 26%, but it's $1.26, so it's way less than this. Yeah, Greg, what season is it here? It's Christmas season. So it was in one of the big shopping malls here in the city earlier on today, and all the Christmas decorations are up, the jingles are being played. I'm like, it's September. And she turns around to me, she says, yeah, but it's a bird month. Well, what's that mean? So if the month ends in BER, then it's Christmas season. Okay. So no, it's and it also that corresponds with storm season as well. So we get typhoons in the bird months. It's October, it is, not September. There is no summer or winter in the Philippines. It's pretty much the same. There's two seasons. There's wet and dry. Hot. There's hot season and there's humid season. That's about it. Dry season and wet season. It's hot all year round, which I actually kind of like. Yeah, they do Halloween, but they've all got the local. Every island has the local fairs and celebrations. So it is a Catholic country. They have all the Catholic and Christian celebrations as well. Well, Para Zero went up on Friday. It was like penny stock went up to like $1.50, $1.40 something on Friday. Pre-market pulled back a little bit and then rallied into the close, and then after hours went up to like $1.70, pulled back a bit, and now it's up there at 220s. So it might have continuation from Friday. It had a decent catalyst on Friday with the Australian government. So we may get continuation from that. Yeah, I would say minimum starting account 5K, 5K, 21st century. Well, that's pretty much where I got in. I got the ascending triangle into a flat top. Where's my cursor? You got this ascending triangle into a flat top, and then we got the breakout. That's where I got in, 219. But it's pulled back a bit, so flat top breakout, flat top fake out as it stands right now, but we'll see. Cheers, Strawweb. Yeah, if you're trading in dollars, then that's the, Navigator, yeah. Nothing's really moving, with the exception of Para Zero, which is 80% up at the moment, so it's quite extended, but you know me, Greg, I'm all about trading futures and Forex. Morning, Jan. Morning, Mike. Good to see you, buddy. Hit you back. Can't reach it. It's right. Oh, I've been bitten. That's why it's itching. I feel the bite. Bastards. No, just where to get you. High of day 222. I'm in at 219. I'll be out at 208 because that's the low of the last swing low. Look at it here. 208. Low of the last 5-minute candle as well, so it's a double bubble. 208, that's my cutoff. Morning, Peanuts. They're not actually, Sandy. Not that I've seen. I've not got any. I've not got anything. There's 208 on the bid. I was looking for 208 on the ask to get out, and it's bounced back up. We'll see. But Game of Pakistan, they've been going live for the last 3 weeks and they're consistently failing compliance checks. So that's why they keep getting pushed. Well, I've not got it on my system. I'll have a quick look in a second. GPAC. Yeah. Yeah, still not seeing anything there. I've got a fourth. Priced at 4, but still not seeing anything. So Game of Pakistan, it's been going like I say, it's been failing compliance checks. So it's been going live for the last 3 weeks, and it keeps getting pushed out. So it was supposed to go live again today after the last push out, but we'll see. Which was Friday week gone. Yeah, we've got a megaphone at the moment on the 5. Higher highs, lower lows, megaphone pattern. Which basically what that means, it's increasing. It's a sign of increasing volatility, but also indecision. 1 cent more and I'm gone. Oh, there we go, get it. Now that can bounce and move all the way back up and I don't care. Hey Super, I'm not doing too bad. I'm a bit, like I said, a bit fatigued. I'm feeling a little bit perky since I had my coffee. But like I say, coffee normally sends me to the toilet for a poop, but we'll see. That went all the way down to 205 before bouncing. Morning, Kath. It's another funny sleeping patterns. It's more to do with not having a nap in the heat today, and I normally try and get a little bit of an afternoon nap in with my daughter, and we were out and about today. So she's had a grumpy head on her, as 3-year-olds tend to do, and I'm just feeling a bit kind of fatigued. So we'll see. Nothing else moving at the moment. The momentum's all to the south side with anything that's got momentum. So it's mostly, and we've got Tech had its earnings this morning. That's had a bit of a pop, but not a big one. Not huge volume. I think most of the volumes with ETFs and oil and gas futures. Is there such a thing as the ultimate trading mindset? That's a subjective question there, Super Chip. But I would probably say there probably is. Do I know anyone that's got it? No. The ultimate trading mindset would be someone that's consistently profitable, 85 to 90% accuracy, puts the losers early, lets the winners run, and does not succumb to FOMO. I don't know anyone that does that. Everybody knows that they have to do that, but I don't know anybody that does. Yeah, everybody, let's you know the rules. Let's keep the like count high. Helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and it helps you guys keep the momentum in the chat going. So the more people that hit that thumbs up button, the more people get into the chat, and the more lively it becomes. So come on, guys. Why do I have to bag every morning to get 50 likes? Yeah, Dennis, absolutely. Yeah, look, you can have an optimum. I don't think there's such thing as the ultimate trading mindset. Don't worry about that, Super Chip. You just tap the screen a dozen times every half an hour. Just give the screen 12 taps and it'll be fine. No, but ultimate trading mindset means you have to have been good on risk management, but you have to have the corners to take the trade that nobody else wants to take. It's kind of a bit of a paradox, really, isn't it? Most, to be fair, most traders I know have a bit of a gambling degenerate gene in them, which is what kicks in when they lose. So they're not risk averse. So you can't afford to be risk averse if you're going to be trading. And I think that's the thing. Let's see, can we get a new high of day? That's what we're looking for here. No, you've got to be passionate. You've got to enjoy what you do. If you don't enjoy what you do, what you're doing it for? Look, if you don't enjoy the process and you know, trading the markets, and if you don't actually enjoy it, then give your money to somebody else to trade on your behalf. There are people out there that will do it. Hedge funds that will do it, and hedge fund managers. But get a reputable one. Don't get one of these people that say join my Telegram, because you'll not see your money again. And if they make a profit with it, they'll keep it. Trust me. A lot of scammers out there, so just be careful. Yeah, let's get that like count up. There's less than half of you have actually hit the like button yet. So let's get that like count up. What's the ticker there, Super Chip? Yeah, still got a little way to go on the like count, on the thumbs up count on the tube, on the old YouTube. So let's get that like count. We need to be at 50% ratio as a minimum. Come on, guys. There's less than half of you hit the thumbs up button. I feel like you're insulting me. Hey, Cal. How you doing, buddy? Morning by the dip. Happy Canadian Thanksgiving to you, buddy. I hope you're stuffed with turkey and cranberry sauce or whatever it is that you choose to eat on a first thing in the morning. Thanksgiving weekend, wasn't it? No turkey? How can you have Thanksgiving without it? That's like saying Christmas without turkey. That reminds me, I've got to source turkey for Christmas. It doesn't cost a fortune, but I need a turkey for Christmas. But well, there, Cal, good man. I saw it around that price. I think it was about 170 when I saw it, when I called it out this morning in the Discord. I'm going to hold this till the whole dollar. If it breaks the whole dollar, I'll get out, but I'm holding it to the whole dollar. How can you not? You better not be. You know, fast. It can't be vegan. You always know a vegan. Do you know why you know a vegan? Because they bloody well tell you. That's how you know a vegan. No, Cal's not a vegan. Freeloaders, absolutely, Greg. You watch this stream, you get the nuggets of trading wisdom and the entertainment of me losing money, and you don't hit the like button. So come on, freeloaders. I'll take a look at that afterwards, Super Chip. Yeah, what's his name? The Canadian speaker. What's his name? He's on that carnivore diet, isn't he? And whilst it's good, it's working for him. He swears it's not good for everybody and doesn't recommend it to anybody. But I'm almost on a carnivore diet, to be fair. I have mostly meat and everything. Meat and rice. Kind of potatoes. I don't eat many potatoes anymore. I used to live on potatoes in the UK and Ireland. Morning, Virgo. Jordan Peterson, that's the fella. Why did I have a complete brain fart when trying to think of his name? No, there's no way I get away with it here. He loves her rice. To be fair, I've been enjoying my bacon regularly. Something when I was married, I never had because it was a Muslim household. So obviously, I was kind of bacon banned. I like bacon. Really enjoying it. There we go. We're now green on the ticker. Just barely. Oh, so we're green on the ticker. We're not growth. We're green on the ticker, but net, not so much. He isn't. While I don't agree with all of his opinions, he does. He's a very good speaker. And he does articulate himself very well. Do I think Hawaii Electric will come back? Probably. It's got probably a slow burner, but over a while, it'll be low volume. Because they were in the news, they got a lot of attention. A lot of people traded them. So now they're not so much in the news. If they continue to perform how they were performing before they were in the news, there's no reason why they can't come back. As a utilities and power company, you know, they're always going to make money. Everybody needs power. Providing they don't have any more negative negative news or on, then yeah, I don't see why not. And we get 229. Looking for 229 on the bid. 230 on the ask. That's 229 on the ask. Do you know what? For the sake of a penny, I'm just going to take that off. Now 220 is my exit. Actually, next candle makes a new zero, I think, a new low. Actually, no, Cal, you've got that wrong. But vegetable oils are not bad for you, provided you consume in moderation. Same with cholesterol; it's not bad for you, provided it's consumed in moderation. You can probably eat rat poison in moderation and it won't be bad for you. Seriously, anything in moderation. If you eat too much of anything, it's going to be bad for you. That's the problem. And they'll give you all these studies of, you know, whatever serves their agenda. I mean, eggs are good for you, eggs are bad for you. You can't eat eggs. The whites are good for you, the yolks are bad. The yolks are good for you, the whites are bad. You know, it depends on what serves the agenda. And no food is bad for you, no food is good for you. That's what I've learned. Eat what you like and enjoy it. Absolutely, get him. Absolutely. I had a green day on Friday. You know, I had 3 red days. I had a 3-day red streak. I had a green day on Friday. So I want to keep the green. Let's have a green streak. Let's have a full green week this week, guys. Everybody, Everybody in the chat, full green week this week. $2.20 on the bid, I'm getting out. In fact, I'm just getting out there anyway. I've done with it. Yeah, the food pyramid's a load. It's a recognised load of bollocks, is what it is. Unless you're a Manchester United fan there, Greg. Absolutely. Diet with Tony now. Oh yeah, I didn't even think about that. Sandy. Oh my goodness. Sorry about that pun. Anyone in Hawaii, I do apologise. That's a bad taste pun. But yeah. Well, there you go. Exactly. I mean, bacon's not bad for you if if all you eat is bacon. It's like McDonald's. That supersized me thing. The guy ate nothing but McDonald's for what was it, a month, and it made him really ill. And what did you expect? But McDonald's is not bad for you in moderation. If you have McDonald's 2 or 3 times a week, it's not going to affect your health. If you have a pizza 2 or 3 times a week, it's not going to affect you. All you eat is junk food. You're going to be, fat and greasy and spotty. And if all you eat is apples and carrots, you're going to be, anemic and emaciated. So you've got to strike a balance. Yeah, bacon grease is great for making pies, actually. My grandmother made probably the finest apple pie I've ever tasted in my life. To this day, it was the best, and I found out she used to use lard in the pastry. Did she make it was a type of pastry that she'd use lard in it, which is beef fat or something, pork fat or whatever, and in apple pie, and it was just so yummy. Morning, Robin. Well, like I say, Carl, is no, it's all mine, Danny. It's all mine. Why are you looking to invest? Maybe I should take my exams that Jaquinia's doing and open my own little hedge fund. Apple bacon. Now we're talking. You remember when eggs were good for you, boss? Eggs were good for you. I remember I grew up with the Mr. Men. And Mr. Strong used to eat lots and lots of eggs, nothing but eggs, in fact, because it made him strong. And that was the message you were giving to kids in kindergarten and grade school, reading the Mr. Men books, Mr. Men and Little Misses, that eggs are good for you because Mr. Strong eats them. And then all of a sudden, bloody what's-her-name says that they're full of eggs, that you can't eat eggs. And what was it, Rocky? The movie Rocky, 2 raw eggs in a glass of milk before he went on a run for the protein, and then all of a sudden they're full of salmonella, so you can't have eggs anymore. They're bad for you. Then after that they're full of cholesterol, so eggs are going to give you a heart attack. It's all crap. Just eat what you enjoy. If you enjoy a particular food, it doesn't matter if it was once alive and had a face on it, go and eat it. If you like a particular vegetable, go and eat it. Just enjoy yourself. This, I'll tell you what gets me, gluten intolerance. An intolerance to gluten. Nobody has ever died from gluten intolerance that I'm aware of. It gives people wind. Like, I've been farting my whole life. It's natural, okay? So a gluten intolerance. You know what? I didn't know what gluten was until I tried gluten-free bread, and then I realised it's the tasty stuff in bread. That's what gluten is. Horrible stuff, gluten-free bread. But the reason people have been wheat and grain allergies, what I believe, and there's evidence to support it, is the chemicals they're using to produce wheat. So Roundup, for example, the increased use of Roundup on grain production kind of corresponds with the rise in gluten intolerance. Yeah, if you go to a country or a region where they don't use Roundup and they don't use that, it's or organic farming, and you have gluten intolerance, and you try bread or pasta or something in that region, then you find your allergies don't affect you the same. Go figure. Eat the YOLO lifestyle. I agree with that one, Greg. Just enjoy your life. I'll tell you what. I made a chicken en croûte. She'd never had this chicken en croûte. So basically, it's a stuffed chicken breast with cream cheese in the stuffed chicken breast, wrapped in bacon and coated in choux pastry, for like flaky pastry, and then baked. Chicken en croûte. It's lovely, and probably I would. You'd have to, if you went into a restaurant and ordered that, you'd probably have all kinds of warnings. So it's got gluten, it's got high cholesterol, it's got dairy, it's all these things. It's just one part of a dish, you know. Yeah, here's some grass. Eat that. Yeah. Do I look like a goat? Don't answer that, guys. That was very clever. And so they should. Go to Thailand. They love eating the bugs down there. You can buy fried locusts on these street corners. I had a friend, a Thai friend, and she was a teacher, and she caught a big huntsman spider in a hand, and she said, "Oh, I'll eat that later." And I thought she was joking, but no, she ate it later. Bugs and insects are they've looked into it, can be, depends on the insects, of course, but can be a valuable and high source of protein, particularly in third world countries. Come on, guys, get that like count up. Oh, a little under 12 minutes to the open. Yeah, you heard the dog bark. Hit the. She's actually telling you hit that like count. Get that like count up. Don't make me bring my 2-year-old in and give you the puppy dog eyes. Give you the sad eyes. Yeah, to be fair, I mean I've tried the fried locusts and the caterpillars in chocolate, and no, they're not for me either. Fried spiders, the legs get stuck in your teeth. I prefer a steak, although I had a steak on Saturday, it wasn't great. Got a lovely steak a couple of weeks ago. Lovely roll of steak, and it was nice cut, and I got it from the same place again last week. And we had it on Saturday, and it was just tough as hell. It was lovely and tender the previous time, and then last week tough as hell. It was as tough as bloody shoe leather. This goes to show. It's oh God, don't get me started on ballot. She loves her ballot. I can't stand it. I've nothing against it. I mean, fair enough, but I just don't like the taste of it. Get green. Oh, no, get green, stay green, get to goal and get out. Did I send it back or not? The thing in the Philippines? No, she's had me try ballot a couple of times. And neither. So you probably didn't like it last time because you know first time and all. I'm like, okay, well go on, I'll eat it again. No, it was maybe you got a bad one now. But twice I tried ballot and I didn't like it either time. And she's laughing at me both times while she's eating hers. She loves the ballot. I always have a craving for porterhouse steak, Greg. That's my default setting. Porterhouse steak. I eat that every day if I could afford it. I could find it, let alone afford it. Probably could afford it actually. I'm saying that, but that's besides the point. Yeah, I have to be careful with fish in the Philippines getting. Whilst I can eat any of it, she's got fish allergies, so she'll puff up like like a puffer fish. Yes, I'm talking about you. Gracias, bonita. Yeah, it's fairly thickly traded at the moment, but it's not just on the ask. It's thickly traded on the bid as well. And if it doesn't meet your criteria, don't trade it. It's as simple as that. Struggling at the $0.25, so I'm taking some off, and as I do that, it pops. It's okay. Look, locking in profits. Nobody ever goes broke taking profits. Look, that's all I'm saying. We're up there near the high of day now, so current high of day is 230. The high of this candle is 229. So we're testing that high of day right now. Oh, she's made me a Jollibee chicken sandwich. She just ordered for me, so nice. We've got 8 minutes to the bell. There's the high of day. Double top. Right now, 225 is my exit. There we go. I don't like Diet Coke or Pepsi is the next asbestos, but regular Coke can clean your drains. Yeah, it's a fact. If you've got a blocked drain, pour regular Coke in it. A litre of regular Coke will clean your drains for you. Go figure. More successful than McDonald's in the Philippines, the old Jollibee. Well, I made 400 bucks on it, Cal, so quick base hits. Less fees and charges. It is quite, I mean, it's 90% up to, on the day. It's just double topped. So for me, it's a bit risky now. I'll wait until after the bell, see what happens with it. There's nothing else moving. We did have Applied had earnings today. Not great volume on it, but Applied's up, second biggest gapper. At the moment, it's 10% up on the day. So if the volume comes in after the bell on Applied, with it being an earnings catalyst, it probably will be a slow mover, but probably will be a slow gainer today. Let's move some of these out. Change my watch list. Not a lot else moving, so if you want me to replace the small chart and the SPY with any other ticker, just let me know. I'll take a look. Actually, you wanted me to take a look at one, didn't you? Copart, was it? Let me have a look at Copart for you. Well, Copart, yeah, there's not for a swing trade. It's kind of ranging at the moment. Just from a technical, without looking at any of the fundamentals. You're thinking of going long on it or going short on it there, Super Chip? Because this is, I just had a nice pop up. It's almost at the high, so we've got a W pattern here on the daily. Yeah, I suppose there's a possible breakout. If it gets to 45.50 for a swing trade to get to 47.50, that's the highs. What is the highs? At 47.40. So you can look for a $2 move, I guess. Is it worth it? Well, at 45.50, risk it down here at 42. So you're looking at $3 to make $2. Probably not worth it. Probably not worth it. No, absolutely. was a hockey puck. Get him. I got that the white doesn't show up. Keep it green. Yeah, well, not a lot. We've got a little over a minute left before the market opens, so we'll see. Yeah, but Mad Solar, if you can get 10 cents, if you only get 10 cents out of the market every day in your favor, you can earn a fortune. You don't need it more than 10 cents. 10 cents out of the market every day, and you can slowly increase your share size, and you can make a fortune out of that. Yeah, it'll eat into commissions if that's the case. Okay, Para Zero, let's have a look at you. Well, to be fair, Mad Soul, I didn't jump in just to take a trade. My first trade I got faked out on a flat top breakout, flat top fake out. I changed the scanners over. There's the bell. There's the market open. The market's open now. You came in at the back end of the move, so I could afford to take Glide with their earnings. Looks like it's making a nice move up. Breaks pre-market high. I'm interested. Nice bullish move. It breaks that pre-market high. Arizona testing that pre-market high as well. It's up to 226. Pre-market high 230. We've got pre-market high 590. I see this over $6. See the break of 6. There's the break of 6. I see over 6 on the bid. There we go. Let's take some off. Well, why is Applied moving? I had a good earnings report this morning. It's a little bit of a pullback. I want to see it if it pulls back to the pre-market high and maybe bounced from there to make new highs. Get him for me 20k before it gets back over 30k. That's just my opinion. The meanderings of a fat guy on the internet. I'm not. I'm a short-term bear on Bitcoin. I'm a long-term bull, but a short-term bear. I think it'll probably hit 15 before it hits 35. I have 612 on that candle. So I did say I wanted to touch the pre-market high, which it has done. Then move back up and break new highs, which is what I'm looking for it to do. Current high of day 618, so we're looking for a break of 620 and beyond, 625. Spreads are getting a little bit wider, so you need to factor that into your risk management. Spreads were like a penny, now they're going up as wide as 5 cents. What they are right now. A new alt for Bitcoin mean all-time high? I don't think so. 12 to 14 months away from a new all-time high on Bitcoin, I think you're deluded. Yeah, no, you're deluded. I don't think it's going to be 12 to 14 months. 12 to 14 months, and we're still going to be talking about SBF and his case and the cases against numerous cases against Binance. So for me, no, it's going to be longer than that. AMC is up there. 930s. What's AMC doing up there? Back over 6. I might be interested in applied back over 6, but needs to do it. CrowdStrike, Palantir breaking highs. Yeah, Palantir moving up nicely, the happens. That was 1680 would have been a nice entry there at 1680. 15 cents. Radio. AMC gets back over 940, you probably see 950 on the day, at least.